Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Jamie from the Cozy Cottage. So grateful to be a part of this organization challenge today. Today I'm going to show you how to organize kids' clothing and toys and how to make DIY labels that you are going to love. So please stay along. Let me show you around. So here are the bins. They have seen better days for sure. They are getting a little old. Just for next time when I probably replace these bins, I'm going to get a wicker style so that they don't show all the fingerprints. But other than that, they are fantastic. These are from Walmart. This is the Kallax bin from Kallax shelving from IKEA that we just love. So what we do is we have a no-fold system. So this is my daughter's pants. She just chucks them in there when she's ready to put them away, and we don't have to fold them. I used to fold all my kids' clothes, but guess what? When they are trying to find what they want to wear, it ends up looking like this after a lot of time trying to make everything look nice and neat. So I figured, why not just toss it in there anyway? And it tends to work. We don't have that many problems with wrinkles, which is awesome. And then these cute little tags I just made. The tags are plain and they come from Michael's, and I will show you how to customize them. It's really, really simple. But let me show you what it looks like. Here's one set here. Here's a desk in the middle. And then here is the other set. It's something that just works. I love the look of it. You can see some pants out there, but I love the neutral color palette. That's always what I'm going for. And I love the wood tones that these tags add. I add to the warmth of it all. So it's so super easy. Let me show you how to make these tags really, really quick. So first you are going to start with one of the wood tags, and then just these stencils you can pick up at Michael's. Tape it down and then use either a chalk marker or a paint marker from Michael's and just fill it in. It also helps to hold down the stencil so it doesn't move around as you are filling it in. So here is how the number looks. It doesn't have to look perfect. If there's anything you want to fix, you can just fix it with a Q-tip. And now we are going on to the other side. Now I'm going to be adding my son's name to this side, and it's going to say Hudson. So I'm just taking little stamps and a white ink pad and putting his name there. Also try to blot out any excess ink around the stamp just so that you don't have a square around the letter. And then this is also pretty forgiving. As you can see, I've messed up. I just take a Q-tip that has a little bit of water on it, wipe it right off, and it looks as good as new. And I couldn't find the letter O, so I had to use a Q, but I was easily able to fix that like I said before. And then here is the final product. The ink didn't work awesome in this tutorial, but I wanted to show you another one that I've done. This is a sports bin we have. I really like how it turned out. All right, that's it. That's our no-fold system for clothes. This also would work excellent for toys as well. And please join my channel. Please subscribe, because we are trying to make this year's Christmas super enjoyable. So we are trying to conquer one little task every month of this year. So by the time Christmas rolls around, we will be able to enjoy our family, enjoy our friends, and really spend time doing what matters most. Thank you, Christina, for hosting this challenge. It was so much fun, and I appreciate you all watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.